Hello everyone, here are the 20 facts about me. My name is Abdullajid A. Tutu Jr. I am from the Holosulu but currently live in Bungao. I love exploring new things like exploring new cultures and traditions. I am passionate about dancing and I love singing, but singing doesn't love me. I enjoy watching movies like cartoon movies. I am a food enthusiast and love trying new dishes. I am a nature lover and enjoy hiking in the mountains. I am a mama's boy. I love my mother more than anything else. I am extrovert type of a person where I can vibe with anyone. I love rainy weather. The sound of the rain gave me tranquility. Ice cream is my best comfort food. I am a pile type of a person, a sunset lover. I have a short-tempered personality. And I am 5'11" foot long. I love to go to the place where I find peaceful and relaxing. I am so organized with all my stuff. I can finish a 12 inches pizza in just one setting. Yes. I don't like to share personal things with others, especially if it is very important to me. And lastly, I do have a favorite girl. She's from Besed student. A Besed student. Besed. Yes. I love all about her. And that's all. Thank you.